Who's this?
Me.
Who is me? Who is me? Hmm?
Astro.
Hey, give me a second. You can come in. Oh, how you doing, my friend?
What's up with you?
You good?
Yeah, you?
Everything is good, you know.
What's up?
Ah.
For real, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm hungry as fuck.
Man, I'm hungry too. I'm hungry.
You sure you don't got anything to eat?
Bro, I'm telling you, bro, I'm broke, man. I don't have anything, bro.
I feel you.
But I wish you can buy me something to eat, man.
Got any water?
Yeah, I think I have some. I'll bring you some. Give me a second, man.
I appreciate it.
Alright, bro.
Hold up, cuz. Hold up. I knew he was holding out on me. Try to play me.
Yo, I'm sorry, man. There's no water, bro.
Hey, bro, you can't even give me no water?
Sorry, man. Maybe tomorrow I'll buy a case, man. Maybe if I get paid, man.
If you get paid, you do that.
Yeah, bro. I'm so sorry, man.
Well, dang, if I can't get no water, nothing to eat, I'm
Oh, you leaving?
myself out of here.
Alright, bro.
Alright, dog.
See you, my brother. See you.
Alright, bro.
Alright, bro. Oh! Where's my food?